Purred. Don't forget to contact me on any social media to place your order for the AM collection eyelashes. I holla, and thanks for the support. What's up, K's and Q's? It's your girl QueenT, and I'm back with another video. So, as y'all can tell by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing this Amazon wig, and y'all, honestly, my heart is beeping like crazy because everybody knows to check what they order on Amazon. So,
did you check the reviews?
I checked the reviews, I watched the video, but you just never know sometimes. So, before I even open this box, just make sure you like this video, and they'll calm my heart rate down. So, go on and like it.
1, 2, 3, like. Okay. Or not.
Thank you, Nisha.
I don't need a TV. Shorty nervous.
You don't see that? What's that? Shorty nervous.
Okay. So it come in a nice little bag.
Nice.
You show the bag? This is the bag, y'all.
Ooh, pretty.
Pretty cool.
100% human hair. Okay, logo. Wet and wavy.
Okay.
Y'all know the. Okay, it came with a nice little cap.
The cap that you actually.
Wait, who's the seller of that one? Maybe it's the same one.
This by Malibu.
Because I'm going to say mine. They might be cool. I can get some green in it.
Oh.
No, when we got after them.
Oh, you still got it?
I sure do.
The each,
Okay.
the each on the bag.
Okay, Tracy.
Clear bag, the long clear bag.
You said it's 26 inches.
Okay.
Mine is 26.
Okay. Okay, it looks like some good hair.
That's like some good hair. You supposed to be pricing.
I think this wig was like 150.
Oh, real nice texture. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, real nice
Closer.
texture. And
Show if it's a close.
this looks like a T-part lace.
Yeah, I do.
That's
No,
a T-part.
I think it's for.
It's
Oh no.
That's a
It's a
T-part.
two-part.
Mm-hmm. But they got their middle.
No, this a closure.
Oh, that's a close.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Show them the.
There you go.
Okay, so this is a closure. Got the little yeah with the yeah.
Nice lace.
A lace. Get into it.
Let me see the hair.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a nice little texture.
Is that 26?
Oh yes.
Mhm.
It's 26 stretch.
Mm-hmm. When it's
Nice
wet.
little- that's a nice hair.
Mm-hmm. For the price.
Yeah.
Right. I'm going to put the link in the description box below.
Pre-plug.
And it's pre-plugged as well.
Period.
Just get
That's
it.
one of the ways you put on yourself. There you go.
Yeah, that is a put on and go.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice.
So y'all know when I do wig reviews, I do part 1 and part 2. So this is going to be part 1. And part 2 is going to be like a quick review of me with it on. So, yes ma'am. Real nice. The hair is soft too. Purr.
Oh, that's real nice.
You can just run your fingers right through
Amazon
it.
really be having some nice weed because that's where I
Girl,
got mine from.
Amazon.
Because you be on Alley, don't you?
Uh-huh.
What's Stormy gonna go for her birthday?
We went skating.
Oh, yesterday she did so.
Okay, Amazon. Okay, thank y'all for watching this short video. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Comment more things you would love to see from my YouTube channel. And I holla. So I enjoyed installing this wig, and honestly, gave what it's supposed to give. I'm very proud of Amazon because I thought I was gonna be scammed, but it was really true to length, true to size, true to density, everything. So honestly, thanks for watching this video. And yeah, and y'all let me know like where y'all get y'all wigs from, like who y'all be ordering from, and all that other kind of stuff, so I can try out more wigs, and hopefully I'll get better at installing my wig. But y'all see it. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video.